Hey, we just got done changing the oil on this 2021 Toyota Tundra, and now we're going to be demonstrating how you can reset the maintenance required warning light, also known as the oil change light that appears on the instrument cluster. And this is typically going to appear every 5,000 miles. This is going to apply to all 2018 to 2021 second generation XK50 platform Toyota Tundra models with the newer gauge cluster, as well as the 2018 to 2022 Toyota Sequoia models. So let's get started. Begin by turning the ignition on to the accessory position. First, press the back button to exit the maintenance required reminder screen. Next, use the right-hand steering wheel buttons to scroll left or right until the vehicle gear or settings icon is selected on the display. Continue using the right steering wheel buttons to scroll down until Vehicle Settings is highlighted. Once highlighted, press the center button. Next, scroll down until Maintenance Reset is highlighted, and again press the center button. Now, with the Reset the Maintenance Reminder question displayed, scroll up and select Yes with the center button. When the Maintenance Reset Complete message is displayed, the scheduled maintenance interval has been reset. Last, confirm the maintenance required message is no longer displaying and turn the ignition from the accessory position to the off position. So that is a quick overview on how to reset the maintenance reminder light that appears on the gauge cluster on the 2018 to 2021 second generation Toyota Tundra models. If you'd like to see our other Toyota Tundra DIY fluid change and maintenance videos, or if you'd like to learn more about our full range of high performance engine oils, transmission fluids, transfer case fluids, or gear oils for your Toyota Tundra, or any of your other vehicles, you can visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.